everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, you guys, I am sitting in the Walmart parking lot. I'm kind of sad. Everything worked out fine, until I was about to leave and I realized I lost my coupon pouch. Now, I only had like maybe 10 coupons in there, so it wasn't a big deal, but I really liked that pouch because it was a pouch that I got from the Dollar Tree last year. But I like walked throughout the whole store trying to figure out where the heck did I drop it. It might even be one of my bags. I don't think it is, but I have no idea where I lost it, so I'm pretty sad that I did. So I was thinking, I'm like, maybe I left it in the cart, but no, I didn't. So I lost it, but you know what? Not a big deal because, you know, there wasn't any really good coupons. It was ones that I already had. And those are the ones that have been sitting there for like the last couple weeks that I haven't used. So whatever. But yeah, that was the only bad thing that happened. But I did pretty good. I wanted to get, I had the Weekend Warrior that finally showed up. The last 2 Thursdays that I've shopped, it doesn't show up until after my shopping trip. So this time it did show up. There was a bonus that popped up. Now, if you guys got an email or something that popped up asking you, you know, here's the bonus. Well, to find it, all you have to do is go to the Ibotta app. Now, a couple of you guys did message me asking me where you found it. So what I just did is I went to the Ibotta app and I think I scrolled down. No, I did find offers. So I clicked find offers, and then right here where it says grocery, that's when it just popped up. It popped up right there when I did grocery. I didn't pick a specific store. So if you guys are having a hard time finding that bonus, definitely just do that. It said something that you find in your pantry. Well, groceries is what you find in your pantry. So I ended up getting, I needed 15 rebates for that to get $5. And then I also hit level 3. So that was awesome. So I'm just going to share with you guys what I got. It is currently 6 degrees outside. I've been sitting in my car for a while to let it warm up. So it is freezing cold, you guys. Like, it is crazy. But one thing I was super excited for that I found were these canisters. Now, I did not include this in my price, but I've been trying to find some canisters for my pantry. And I want ones that like seal really good. Now, these were ones that are the Better Homes and Garden ones. The only thing that was wrong with them, it was missing its original label. They just need to be washed, which I'm gonna do that. But they were originally like, it said the price was $3.23, and I saved like $2.15. I'm gonna put like some, you know, sugars and all that stuff in here, and I really liked it, so I ended up getting like 2 of these small ones and then 4 of the big ones. But I really wanted to make sure it had a good seal to it, so I was pretty excited to find those because I have been looking for canisters, and I'm going to use my Cricut machine to label all those. So I was super excited to find that. So the first deal I got was a Poise insert, or the Poise liners. There might be a better coupon that you guys can print off the Poise website, but we have those inserts that are still valid. So these were $4.18. You guys want to use a $2 off coupon, you would pay $2.18 for this. But then you guys can submit a $2 rebate with Ibotta, making it 18 cents. So pretty good deal. I feel like I'm super whited out, you guys, because of the sun, but we will see. So I was excited to do, not really excited to do that, but ended up doing the Rimmel again. Now, these might be a better deal at Walgreens this coming weekend, but there's no rebate for it. The rebate's only for Walmart. So this was $3.97. I used a $1 off coupon for this. You would pay $2.97, but you can submit a $1.35 rebate with Ibotta, making it $1.62. And I actually really like this color. I've been really into, like, you know, bronzing and shimmering and all that stuff, so I was excited to get that. A lot of you guys are not sure if your store has the freebies. My store doesn't have about 3 of the freebies that are going on the app. If you guys aren't sure, you can just open up the app, type it in, and it'll tell you what aisle number it is. So this is what I did before I went to the store, and it told me it was like in G11 at my store, which is like where the Slim Fast and stuff is. But this is the No Cow protein bar. There was the peanut butter chocolate chip, and then there was some other one. I asked the husband, what do you want? There's 4 bars in here. This is $7.98. $7.98 for 4 bars. I think that's crazy, but whatever. You guys would pay $7.98 for this, but then you guys can submit a $7.98 rebate with Ibotta, making this absolutely free. I think what they're trying to do with all these freebies is trying to get people to buy it, because most likely if you really enjoyed it, you'd buy it. I would never buy this normally, so you never know what you can get. I got another Gatorade bottle. Why? Because my son really likes drinking out of these. I can fill the whole thing up with water and I know he'll drink it. And I really like the top. So I keep getting these just because I want to use them for my son. So these were $4.97. You guys would pay $4.97. You get a $1 rebate with Ibotta, making it $3.97. So not the greatest deal, but you know what? I really wanted to do that. The Nivea Men, I keep scanning this item and this pops up on my app. So this is $2.97. I used a $2 off coupon. You guys would pay 97 cents for this, but then you guys would submit a $1.70 rebate with Ibotta, making it a 73-cent moneymaker. And I think you can do this deal twice, but I'm very limited on those coupons, so I'm only doing it once. Yeah. And then I ended up getting some Hamburger Helper stroganoff. Now I love Hamburger Helper. This is something so easy for me to make, and I'm like, oh, do I want to get it? Because sometimes I can get it cheaper at Pick and Save / Kroger, but I'm like, you know what, I really want the rebate. So this was $2.18 for this, but then you guys, and usually these are $1. Usually you can get these for $1. At, like, you know, I know Pick and Save, Kroger has these for like 10 for 10, but these were $2.18. You guys would pay $2.18 for this, but then you can submit a 50-cent rebate, making it $1.68 or just 84 cents. I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna get this. And I also got some hamburger because I'm going to make this for lunch today, or actually I'm gonna make it for dinner today because I have to go to the doctor. I ended up getting the El Paso shells. Now this deal does end in like 18 hours when I submitted my receipt. This was $1.75. You guys would pay $1.75 for this, but then you guys can submit a 50-cent rebate with Ibotta. There's also a deal, I think if you buy 2 or 3, I'm not sure, I bought 3 items, you get a 75-cent bonus. So you get that. Comes out to be just $1.25 without that bonus. So I got that. And that is everything that is in that bag. I ended up doing the wee yogurt. Now I ended up printing a $1 off a 4 coupon. Now if you guys, your stores doesn't allow printables, check the coupons.com app. You guys can always do this deal and then submit it, and then they will credit you that money. But these were $1.22 a piece. I used a $1 off a 4 coupon. You would pay $3.88. There was a freebie for this. I already used my freebie and it never reset. But there's a deal for $1.50 off of 3. So I ended up doing that. You can also submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards to get points. It would be $2.38 or just 59 cents for 4 of them. So I did get 4 of them. So yes. What's today's date? Okay, I just got some yogurt and it expires in a couple days. I'm kind of disappointed in that. But I ended up getting the baby yogurt. Now, I tried the kids ones. Make sure you get the baby one because the kids ones did not scan. These were $3 and or no, $2, what were these? I'm not going in it. $3.92. I used a $1 off printable coupon. The coupon did have problems at the register, but I did read what it said, and it said you could use the packs, so I did get that. You guys would pay $2.92. You can submit a 75-cent rebate, making it $2.17. Charlotte loves yogurt, and you know, I'm trying to get her to eat a little bit healthier than what I usually do for yogurt that I eat. So I got those for her. I ended up doing the dog deal. Now there was some printables. These ones I don't think are available anymore. So the Bella dog foods are 60 cents. There is currently, or there was, where did I write this? A $1.50 off of 4 printable coupon. There's also a $2.50 off of 6 coupon that you guys could use too. But I used the $1.50 off of 4 coupon. You would pay 90 cents, but then you guys can submit a 75-cent off of 4 rebate with Ibotta, making it 4 of them just 15 cents or just 3-ish cents a piece, which I think is a pretty good deal. So got some more Bella dog food. I just gave all that stuff to my mom to give to my brother, so got more food for my brother's dog. The 12-pack of the Bella dog food. This was $7.14. There was a $4 printable coupon that you guys can print off. You would pay $3.14, but then you guys can submit a $1.50 rebate with Ibotta, making it $1.64 or just 13 cents a cup. So I think that is a pretty great deal, especially if you guys have a dog. Or you guys can just get that stuff. You can always donate it or give it to somebody who has a dog. So yeah. Yes, and this is my last bag that I got. So I wanted to get 15 rebates is what I wanted to get, and I ended up getting a little bit more because I did the El Paso deal. I wasn't originally going to do that, but I did. But I ended up getting these beech nut stuff because she just loves food, so I got her these. So these were $2.36, and these melties were $2.36. They're 2 different rebates. You would both pay $2.36, but then you can submit a $1 rebate and a $1 rebate with Ibotta, making it $1.36. Not the goodest, great deal, but this stuff's sometimes a little bit better for you than the Gerber stuff, so that's the reason why I got it. I also got some pouches. I think she's almost at the age where she's going to use pouches, and these don't expire for a while. So these pouches were 96 cents. You guys would need to buy 4 of them. You would pay $3.84 for this, but then you guys can submit a $1 rebate off of 4 rebate with Ibotta, making it just $2.84 or 71 cents a piece. I mean, for $1, you get them a little bit cheaper. I think that's okay. I did check online to see if there's any coupons out there, but there was not, so I did that. Now, I did the Blistex deal again. I'm going to continue doing this deal because I love chapstick. These were 97 cents. You guys would pay 97 cents, but you can submit a 50-cent rebate with Ibotta, making it just 47 cents. And I'm keeping that in my van because I'm always losing chapstick. I have it. I never like fully lose it. I just misplace it. Okay. I did my SpaghettiO deal. Again, my SpaghettiOs were 98 cents. You guys need to buy 4 of them. Now, I bought the ones with the meatballs because I like the ones with meatballs. So you pay $3.92 for this. You guys would submit a $1 off of 4 rebate with Ibotta, making it $2.92 or just 73 cents a piece. So, wanted to share with you that. did the Biotine. The Biotine was $3.84. I used a $1.50 off coupon. You would pay $2.34 for this, but then you guys can submit a $2 rebate with Ibotta, making it just 34 cents. And I got 2 more items for you. I ended up buying the old El Paso beans. These were $1.37. You would pay $1.37, but then you guys can submit a 35-cent rebate with Ibotta, making it $1.02. And then I also got the El Paso enchilada sauce. I've been craving enchiladas and I barely ever eat enchiladas. But these were $1.54. You guys would pay $1.54 for this. But then you can submit a 45-cent rebate with Ibotta, making it $1.09. I have my phone. Going off. So that was my haul, you guys. I did get, you know, a lot of food items, which I was excited for. My camera is about to die, so I want to finish this. My total came to $50.76. I ended up getting $27.63 back with just the apps. I had some like any offers, and then I also got that 75-cent bonus. So my total is just a little bit cheaper than what I tell you guys for what I got back, because I didn't remember this until after I started filming. So I got $27.63 plus a little bit more from Ibotta. I finished level 3. I needed 14 rebates for that, so I got $2. I needed 15 rebates for the ballet bonus. I got $5. I needed 12 rebates for the weekend warrior. I got $1. So my grand total technically came to $15.13. I got 31 items at 49 cents a piece. I think that's a pretty good deal. I love it when I can get some food deals, so hopefully you guys can get some great food deals. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next week for another Walmart Ibotta haul. See you guys later. Bye-bye.